Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Trendline Forex here. It's Wednesday today, so we're gonna do a video analysis on gold. This is what we do every single week. We also put out videos on Mondays and Fridays where we talk about euro, dollar, and Bitcoin as well. As you can see, I've also got other instruments on my watch list. So if any of these are the instruments that you are trading yourself, then you can get daily video updates on setups and trading opportunities on all those instruments in our premium Telegram channel. You can find the links in the description below this video. Okay, we've also got a free Telegram, so feel free to join. There's more information on there as well. But like I said, the video today is about gold, where we currently are, what I'm expecting from this instrument, because I think we may have some trading opportunities here, and this is exactly what I talked about earlier this morning in the premium channel as well. So this is what I'm going to share with you. So this is the 4-hour time frame here on gold. Now, considering the market conditions at the moment, especially since the beginning of this week, we had quite a lot of movement around the instruments, and I would say I think the euro, dollar, and gold are performing the best in this type of market conditions at the moment. Okay, so if you check out some of the other instruments, you'll see some massive rejection wicks. You'll see a lot of fluctuation, whereas euro, dollar, and gold managed to kind of keep a clear direction, or at least not wipe out that much of the gains made in the last week or so. So what we're looking at is the 4-hour time frame here on gold, and as you can see, this is where we started pretty much from around the levels of 2300, 2300, up to around 2000 and nearly 500 really. Then we had this pullback here, price testing some previous structure, as you can clearly see looking to the left. And then we had another impulse to the upside. So we've got a higher low with this one. We didn't manage to create a higher high, but on that most recent pullback here on the 4-hour time frame, we had this big downside wick right here, and it looks like we may be forming a higher low again. All right. Now, obviously, overall, when it comes to kind of a swing trading positions, I'm looking for a continuation to the upside, with targets potentially up at 2500. Okay, as I do like this level, it's a psychological even number, and it's also expecting for price to break above those previous highs. So my overall targets for gold are 2500, but I need to see some confirmation whether we're going to have enough momentum to continue higher. Okay, so if we drop down to a lower time frame, what we can see here is this most recent pullback, which did test previous structure right here. Okay, and we then had a minor pullback within this downside move. Okay, so knowing that we are expecting a continuation to the upside, I'm mainly looking for long positions here. And after we had this move to the upside, we had another pullback, and we've got some rejection wicks right here. We've also got some candles forming right around the 61.8 level on that most recent move. So in order to see this slightly better, what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop down to the 15-minute time frame, for example, and this is what we have. So we have an impulse to the upside. Okay, price in gives us a retracement to the 61.8 level, which is right around 2385, and it kind of struggles to break below that. Okay, so all I want to see now is a clear breakout of this structure right here. Then I'm going to be expecting a breakout of this structure as well. Okay, and price potentially continuing higher. So is this going to be the move that will start the next bull run up to the level of 2500? I'm not sure. I mean, it may take some time for price to break above the major highs that we currently have on the 4-hour time frame. So what I'm going to be looking for is, first, I want to see price, how will price react around this level. Okay, and then the next level would be this one. All right, so As soon as price comes up here for a retest of those previous highs, if I see some long rejection wicks to the upside and some bearish candles giving me a signal for a potential downside move, I will be closing any position that I may have entered right around here. Because current price levels are looking decent. I mean, if you look at even the 1 hour time frame, that reaction of the 61.8 level looks kind of okay. I just want to see price gathering some momentum to the upside, and that would be a good entry signal. Now, if you are going to be using stop loss down here, I would say this is quite aggressive. I mean, we can easily see the market creating one last lower structure below this one right here, and then giving it this upside move. So I would say stops down here would be much better. But then, how much of a risk to reward ratio do you have? Like I said, I'm looking for this next high. I'm also looking for this next high. But if you do manage to get an entry, regardless of where you place your stop loss, as soon as price goes into your favor, you want to be observing price action around those levels. If you get some reversal signals, well, then I think it will be best to close your trade and wait for another entry opportunity. Okay, but that's it pretty much. I've given you the kind of the entry levels, where you can place your stop loss, what kind of target levels you can expect from price. So I'll end it here. I would like to see some comments in this comment section down below. Let me know if you currently have any setups on gold, and make sure to subscribe to this channel. There's more videos like this every single week, and there are more videos that I'm preparing for you guys, which I think will be quite interesting, especially for those of you who don't have that much experience trading. So that's pretty much all. Subscribe to our email newsletter. There will be a link in the description below this video, and I'll see you in the next one.